Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do enjoy the videos, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Serpents. I love the community. You guys know I love the XRP community, but sometimes you gotta stop looking at the type of content that I'm gonna share with you today. It doesn't look good, and more importantly, it gives a really false expectation of what is to come. When you hear people talking about $9,589 and $589 on this date and the moon and the sun because of this will happen, it just looks ridiculous on the entire community. Can we get back to fundamentals, real stuff, analytics, numbers, no fluff? Because at the end of the day, you guys need to be smarter, right? The whole idea of being a serpent is you got to ride out and weed out all the garbage that is out there. A person will post a YouTube video saying that XRP will go to 10,000 because it gets them views. Because people are suckers for a unrealistic story of rags to riches. You know, get 10 XRP and, you know, each one of them will be $10,000 and you'll be a millionaire with just 10 XRP, right? It's a hook. It's a bait. And more importantly, it's BS. And you're better than that. You know you're better than that. So can we be professional? Can we look at researching properly, understanding things properly, and going about it the right way, not this way? Because this way only leads to one thing, and that is disappointment, false expectations, and it just doesn't help anybody. Now, if you guys want to come to my Melbourne event, you know that it's available. If you need the link again, put it in the comments. I'll put it in the comments and I'll make sure that it's there for you. Still have a couple of tickets left. If you want to come along, come along. It's an introduction to crypto, how to do it properly, how to research properly. Now, hundreds of millions of XRP moved in two massive chunks as XRP rises marginally. Now, we like blockchain because it's transparent, right? We can keep an eye on this and keep an eye on what's going on, what is happening, and where this is all taking us, right? So let's see, right? So let's see, let's keep an eye on it, or about where these large sums of XRP have gone to and what that's like. It could be because of the on-demand liquidity hub. There could be a number of reasons why this has taken place, but we will definitely keep a very, very close eye on it. Now, the XRP toolkit is now supported by Web3 domain provider Unstoppable Domains. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's yet another thing that another integration. More things are coming, and I think it's cool that the XRP toolkit is now part of it. It was a Monday announcement. The XRP toolkit got created by Towa Labs and makes it much simpler to securely manage and interact with crypto assets on the XRP ledger. By using this client-side interface, users can send, receive, and trade any asset found on the decentralized platform without paying commission fees. Very, very cool. And now it's also available on Unstoppable Domains, which is really, really exciting. So these are the things that we look for. Mass adoption, what is happening, more integrations, more partnerships. This is what it's all about. Now, Joe Biden reveals game-changing crypto roadmap after $2 trillion crash. Look. Forbes and all these companies are all out to do one thing: get you to click on it, and just see, if they can, get you to watch their ads and buy the subscriptions. And let's see where US goes with regulatory clarity when it comes to crypto. I hope that this year is the year that we get a much, much, much better understanding of and have a framework that is more consistent. That's what everybody's asking for over there. Now, where are we up to when it comes to the price action? What is going on at the moment? There's been a lot of people talking about the rise. We saw Bitcoin go all the way up to 23,000. Everybody's getting excited. I'll talk about it. I have spoken about it before. I will speak about it again. It is the final day of January. Wow, that went really, really quick. Now, where are you at the moment when it comes to your crypto goals, when it comes to your business goals, life, gym, fitness, friends? Have a think about it, guys, because month 1 out of 12 is already done. So let's get to work, grind, because it is going to be super, super important that you maximize each day moving forward. Because if you've wasted the first 31 days of the year, let's get to work, right? Let's make sure that we don't make the same mistake in February. Now, this is the type of news that you guys should be getting excited about. Ripple lands a new country for a stablecoin pilot program. Is XRP involved? Well, I don't know who Jake Simmons is who wrote this, but in case you've been living under a rock, everything that Ripple does includes the XRP ledger. So yes, the XRP ledger is included. So in a piece of news that went from undetected within the crypto community a few days, the southeastern European country of Montenegro has announced a partnership with Ripple. The country's prime minister tweeted about the pilot project with Ripple already on January 18. Now, this is very, very exciting. And once again, it shows the key focus and the laser focus that Ripple has when it comes to their particular blockchain and the particular problem that they solve. And that is it's just really, really exciting, right? It's super, super exciting to have this because it's exactly what the company set out to do when they first launched, and they have not diversed from that goal to fix cross-border payments globally, utilizing their blockchain. It's always been their goal. They've always stated that goal, and these are the things that are important when you're looking at who to invest in. And again, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but I look for consistency. Consistency drives results, and they've been very, very consistent about the problem that they want to solve and how they want to go about it. So for me, it's really, really, really exciting to see this. Once again, on the topic of things to look out for, which are positive as to why you would want to invest in a blockchain like XRP, the XRP Ledger made a new NFT standard just months after accepting the previous one, and here's why. This is the important part. This is the important part. So according to XLS 35D proposal, a lighter alternative has been introduced to the existing NFT format called Yuri Token. The main reason for this faction with the XLS 20 is said to be complexity, a general lack of understanding, and a lack of first-class NFT objects. That's the problem. That's the solution that has come out already. So be on the lookout for this type of information. These are the important things for you to know, understand, be well educated on. Now, we've spoken about Montenegro joining hands with Ripple to pilot first national digital currency. Will it be a huge boost to XRP? Now, for those of you that come out, and every single time I post something like this, first thing that you come out with is, how come the prices have changed? This stuff takes time, serpents. Please be patient. Please be patient. Have a listen to Chris Larsen and what he has to say in regards to discussing the carbon market scene.
So a lot of people ask, how can crypto be used for good? My name is Chris Larsen, and this is Crypto in a Minute. Well, there's lots of ways crypto can be used for good. One of the exciting possibilities that I'll put out there is using blockchain technology, crypto technology, to create better carbon credit markets. Now, carbon credit markets are essential for our fight on climate, but they've sort of been a mess, right? People describe them less as markets, more like flea markets. And we think by using blockchain technology, you can make carbon credit markets radically transparent. Why is that important? That means anybody that's working to sequester carbon. Think about poor farmers in Africa. Change the way they use their soils, suddenly they capture more carbon. They can sell that. And in today's world where there's no transparency, they're being taken advantage of. In a transparent market using NFTs and blockchain, they can see what those prices are and always be assured of getting a fair deal.
That was cool. That was really, really cool. Short, sharp, to the point, to greenhouse gas emissions and radically transforming the environment. It's time to make carbon credit markets more transparent through blockchain technology. Completely agree. If you don't know anything about this, make sure to update yourself on it, because carbon credits will be a huge play coming forward into 2023, 2024, and I think XRP will be right in the thick of it. Now, a lot of people ask why do you talk about it so much? Well, there are more things of the use case, right? So B2B payments, bridge currency, store of value, minimum of exchange, sourcing global liquidity, smart contracts, micropayments, instant cross-border settlements, and securities FX settlements, just to name a few. This has been out for a while. But why are people excited about this particular cryptocurrency? Well, that's just a taste. Now, I really like Crypto Bull. I like how he goes about explaining things. We're all waiting for this, right? We're all waiting to see what does the next bull run of XRP look like. And let me tell you, Serpents, this has been a long time in the making. We're talking about 5 years since the previous all-time high. 5 long years. The company is very, very different to how it was back then. Very different. It is going to be truly, truly exciting. I cannot wait. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, but my God, am I excited about that. Now, what am I not excited about? I'm not excited about things like this. I think it's terrible for the XRP community. I think it's stupid. I think you guys should stop listening to this type of garbage, honestly, because it's things like this, so people telling you that it's going to go to 589 per token, that give the XRP community a bad rep. Just get it out. Stop thinking about that stuff. In terms of XRP price, where we're going at the moment, what is happening, look, I've stayed true to what I think is going to happen. There's a lot of people talking about going into the 12, 13, 14 cents range. I think you guys are dreaming. Against a personal opinion, I believe the buy zone will be that sweet spot between 23 to 20 cents maximum. Now, if you're in doubt, dollar cost average. That's my biggest take on it. But I do believe we're going to go down. Once we go down and hit those marks, then we're going to start to go up, and we'll be into a multi-month, multi-year run. And you know what? I'm going to be with you every single step of the way. Now, if you did enjoy today's video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thank you. Look forward to see you on the next one.